The door slams behind you, metal echoing through your chest as the noise settles into something permanent. The air is cold, processed, carrying the smell of bleach and sweat, and the fluorescent lights above hum without pause. You don't move at first because movement means attention, and attention here has weight. Every eye in the block studies you without turning heads, measuring posture, pace, weakness. A guard slides a paper through the slot, your number now, not your name, and walks away before you can react. The cell is 8 by 10, steel bed, thin mattress, a toilet bolted into the corner, everything designed to remove comfort and replace it with routine. The first night stretches into fragments of sound, footsteps, distant voices, metal striking metal, and you learn quickly that sleep is not something you enter fully anymore. Morning is just a continuation with orders layered over noise. You begin to understand without being told. Don't stare, don't speak too softly, don't move without purpose. Meals last minutes, conversations even less, and every action is calculated to avoid becoming a target. Weeks pass into months, and you adapt not by choice but by necessity, learning the unspoken rules that sit beneath the official ones. You comply, but never completely, adjusting tone, timing, and presence in ways that keep you balanced between visibility and threat. Years compress into routines, counts, meals, yard time, lock-ins, and your identity reshapes quietly, shedding anything unnecessary for survival. Then one day it breaks open during a meal, a small conflict expanding into sudden violence while guards wait behind glass, letting it unfold. You're pulled into it without warning, 3 men closing distance, forcing a decision that has no safe outcome. You act, controlled and precise, not to win but to avoid collapse, and when it ends, something shifts. Space opens around you, tension redistributes, but inside something erodes. You understand then that survival here isn't about strength but control, the constant suppression of fear, instinct, identity. Time moves forward without markers until release arrives without meaning, just paperwork and a door opening in reverse. You step out, but the system doesn't acknowledge it. It continues unchanged, already replacing you with another number, another body adapting to the same cold rhythm, while the echo of that door never fully leaves you.